How to use CapCut green screen. Hi there, today we'll learn how to use the green screen feature on CapCut. So what you need to do is open the application and you need to make sure that you have your files ready for the video that you want to change the background, as well as the background image as well, for us to incorporate later on. So you can open the application and then go ahead and click on new project. And then first thing you need to click or choose is the background video or image that you want to incorporate. So for this, I'll just use this disco image. Click on it. Then just click on add once you have selected the image. And there you have the video. And for you to use the green screen, you just need to click on overlay and then choose a video that you want to add. Here, you just need to resize it to make sure that it fits or it aligns with the video, and then you just need to scroll down and click on cut out. And then here you have three options: remove background, customize cutout, and chroma key. What you will choose is chroma key, which is the third option, and then click on color picker. You just need to point that circle into the background. Make sure that your background for the video should be monochrome or only one color, and then just adjust the intensity. Once done, you just click on check mark or just click on the check mark. And then you can even modify the shadow, how dark or how light the video or the image would be. And once you're done, there you can see that the video or the character is now with a new background that we incorporated here using Capcut. And that's how you do it. That's how you use Capcut green screen. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.